EBSCO databases are a treasure trove of scholarly work, including books, journal articles, and government documents, to name just a few possibilities. You might want to share sources with your students. If you work with them in Canvas, you can integrate materials from EBSCO's databases into your Canvas course. In this video, we'll show you how you can do this. Start by clicking to view the modules. To add a source to the module, click the plus button at the upper right corner of the frame. You'll see a small window appear with a drop-down. Choose External Tool and a list of options will appear. Scroll down the list and click EBSCO Databases. Another window will appear. It may be blank for a moment, but just give it time to load. This is where you will search for the source you'd like in your Canvas course. Scroll down a little and enter your keywords. When you've found what you're looking for, click the Add Item button. The search window will disappear. If you're integrating an article of some kind or a government document, click the Add Item button to the next window, and you're done. The module now has a page with EBSCO's record, which can be accessed right away. Students can get to the text by clicking either the Access button or Download. They can also generate a citation, share the record with others, or click through links to the record that they find interesting. Ebooks can be integrated as well, though in a slightly different way. When you found an ebook to use, click the first Add Item button. This time, make sure to click the box labeled Load Item in a new tab. Now click the Add Item button at the lower right corner of the remaining window. You now have a page with a link to the record of the item you selected. When students click that link, they'll get the database's record in a new tab. If you have any questions or comments about this or other tools to use in Canvas, please contact us in the Library and Learning Commons. Thanks for watching.